Millionaires giving away money isn't some pipe dream. It happens all the time. You can get money from strangers. Millionaires and billionaires give away money to individuals, poor people in need of financial help, and charities all the time. Fortunately, many of the world's richest people give their money away. There are lots of millionaires out there who'll give money to those who need it. Maybe you lost your job and trying to figure out how to make money without a job so you can pay your bills? Maybe you're looking to get free money to help you avoid foreclosure? Or maybe you'd love to start your own business but just don't have the startup capital to do it? There are many reasons you might want to contact a millionaire giving away money. Or perhaps you're just interested in knowing who of the world's richest people has a generous side? Whatever the reason, let's take a look at why rich people give away money, and my top 10 list of rich people who give their money away. After that, I'll cover 2 websites where you can contact millionaires and billionaires to ask for money. And I'll even give you some tips on how to write a great letter. Why do rich people give money away? Subscribe to the channel and like the video. There are many reasons why the world's millionaires and billionaires give their money away. When it comes down to it, the main reason is simple. They want to help people who are less fortunate than they are. I've given away money to charities over the years. You may have too, and millionaires and billionaires are no different. They want to give cash to causes they care about. But they just do it on a much larger scale, because they have the means to. A lot of rich people give away their money through charitable organizations. Some rich people have their charities that they fund. And some rich people donate to a range of charities that are close to their hearts. Let's take a look at a few reasons why rich people give away money. 1. To prevent homelessness. 2. To assist people with their career goals. 3. To help fight hunger. 4. To fund research, education, conservation, and public services. 5. To help people at times of crisis. Top 10 millionaires. Billionaires who've given away money. 1. Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett has made billions through investments. And he's giving away much of his wealth. He's the world's 4th richest man, having a net worth of about $78 billion. Thanks to his investment conglomerate Berkshire Hathaway. He's said that he wants to donate 99% of his fortune. 2. Chuck Feeney. The story of Irish-American businessman Chuck Feeney is a pretty fascinating one. Giving while living is his motto. 3. J.K. Rowling. Had it not been for her philanthropy, J.K. Rowling would be on Forbes' list of billionaires. Thanks to her charitable donations, Rowling has dropped from billionaire to millionaire. The Harry Potter author has made many donations to a variety of causes over the years. 4. Ted Turner. CNN founder Ted Turner has been giving away his money for decades. In 1997, Turner pledged $1 billion to UN programs, which established the United Nations Foundation, a public charity to broaden U.S. support for the UN. 5. Tim Cook. Apple CEO Tim Cook is another businessman who's known to donate his wealth. He's also pledged to donate his fortune to charity before he dies. 6. George Soros. George Soros is a Hungarian-American billionaire investor. And he also has a philanthropic organization called the Open Society Foundations. It supports democracy and human rights in more than 100 countries. 7. NBSP, Hans Jürgens. He is a Swiss entrepreneur who donates his money. It has a focus on conservation, but it's also supported education initiatives, environmental journalism, social justice, and other causes. 8. NBSP, Jim Walton. The Walton family as a whole has been known to help out various charitable causes through its organization, the Walton Family Foundation. It focuses on improving K-12 education, protecting rivers and oceans, and the communities they support, and investing in its home region of Northwest Arkansas and the Arkansas-Mississippi Delta. 9. Pierre Omidyar. eBay founder Pierre Omidyar became a millionaire at just 31 years old. Since then, he's given away his wealth to support a wide variety of causes. 10. Michael Bloomberg. Former New York mayor and businessman Michael Bloomberg have given away a ton of money over the years. He is one of America's most generous philanthropists, giving away $9.5 billion to a wide variety of causes, including a $1.8 billion donation to Johns Hopkins University. Contact rich people asking for money? Yes. I know that most of the people on that list have given their fortunes away to charities or to organizations that they're passionate about. However, that doesn't mean that there aren't millionaires giving away money to individuals. There are plenty of millionaires and billionaires out there who are known to have donated some of their money to individuals who've contacted them. But just how do you go about getting in touch with rich people who give away money? It's not like you could just find J.K. Rowling's phone number or home address to write her a letter, right? No. Of course not. That doesn't mean that there isn't a way for you to reach out to a wealthy person for money though. There's a website called billionairemailinglist.com that offers the contact addresses of all United States billionaires. This includes all Forbes 400 billionaires and Bloomberg billionaires. It says that its lists are 100% guaranteed accurate, or your money back. It's important to note that these lists aren't free. There are 3 types available, ranging in price from $19.95 to $29.95. Or you can get all 3 lists for $39.95. The website says that people can get in touch for multiple reasons, such as to save yourself from homelessness, car repos, foreclosure, and utility shut-off, to ask for help to start a new business. How to ask millionaires for money. If you do want to get in touch with a rich person to ask for money, just how do you go about doing it? What do you say? I'll give you some tips on asking rich people for cash. Here are some tips for writing to rich people to ask for money. 1. Don't lie. 2. Be realistic. 3. Write the letter in the first person. 4. Be polite and don't beg or be too demanding. 5. Say thank you in advance. 6. Make sure you're concise. 7. Proofread your letter or email. Even if you can't contact the people on the list above directly, and most of them are donating to charitable and non-profit organizations, you can instead use those sites I mentioned to connect with rich people. Those sites are good because they give you a way to contact wealthy people to ask for money. Subscribe to the channel and like for a video.